How to fix Microsoft Authenticator loop problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar there and search for Microsoft Authenticator. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device and now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Microsoft Authenticator application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. You can also try to restart your device and see if that fixes your issue, as restarting your iPhone fixes majority of minor issues on your iPhone. So this is how you can fix Microsoft Authenticator loop problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.